Good morning. So I have learned something. I'm probably like, I don't know how many days I've been recording, but I'm not posting every day because it takes me a while to upload the videos before I can get anything posted. All this is new for me. I just want to share my recipes with you guys on how I lost 100 pounds, like what type of things I ate. Anyway, I didn't realize that I have to record with my phone sideways in order to fill out those bars on the side. If you've been watching me this far, that's what you've been seeing. So I just learned that. So you're gonna see like the first 9 or 10 or 11 videos with the aspect ratio all kinds of messed up. I tried to fill it a little bit. Anyway, I forgot my banana. But what I'm gonna be eating this morning is Cheerios. 1.5 cups. Has 140 calories, and I'm gonna be having like 2 cups. I'm gonna dice up some berries to put on it, and I measured out 1/8 of a cup of mixed nuts. Normally I would have a banana also, but I forgot my banana. I'm gonna have 1 tablespoon of honey, 60 calories, and I'm gonna put it with a full cup of 30-calorie almond breeze. This almost feels sinful, but it's not. Time to chug a little water. I literally feel like I'm sneaking to come in here and show you what I'm trying to eat because it's been a busy day as normal, but I'm excited about lunch if I get to eat it. Even if I can just take a couple bites of it, that would be great. So yesterday you saw my video where I meal prepped some really delicious stuff, and as I was putting that meal prep stuff into my refrigerator, I found a salad I totally forgot I had meal prepped, and I put leftover stuff from the day before or a couple days before. So let me just get to it and show you what it looks like. What I have on there, I have some radishes and celery. I have some mushrooms, and I think there's mushrooms in there. There's definitely just a little bit of chicken. There's some chopped up olives, some banana peppers. I have 2 tablespoons of light ranch dressing. There's no cheese on this, unfortunately. There's some onions. This is gonna be a salad worth eating if I ever get the chance. Well, I just got home and it's about 5:15 p.m. and I'm feeling pretty tired. There were some appointments and some errands I had to run after work today. And the sad news is I have to be back to work and work like 1 a.m. until 2 or 3 p.m. I'm not even sure exactly what time I get to leave tomorrow. But so this is going to be one of those days where I have to really calculate what I'm going to eat and how I'm going to do that and when I'm going to eat, because it's not like waking up in the morning and having 3 meals. There's going to be some time throughout the middle of the night tonight that I'm going to be pretty hungry. So I'll probably just have a kind of light dinner, but then I'll eat again probably around 2 or 3 or 4 a.m. and then again around 9 or 10. I don't know how it's going to work out. But anyway, if you're lucky enough to have a schedule where this is not any kind of problem for you because you get to wake up at the same time every day, that's great. But if you have kind of a wonky schedule sometimes, you gotta prepare for that and still be consistent if you're trying to lose some weight, because it's really easy to just be tired after work and stop and get fast food or something and get enough to take with you to work. But I'm gonna plan it out and be diligent. So stay tuned to watch more videos so you can see just how I'm gonna make this work without getting off track. Good morning. You might be wondering why I'm saying good morning at the end of a video, and that's because I got to work at 1 a.m. last night. And you did not get a chance to see what I ate for dinner because I had a late day after work when I got off work yesterday, and I was so exhausted I didn't eat anything really worth recording. So I ended up having 10 black bean chips, The brand that I like is Food That Tastes Good, and it's 130 calories for 10 black bean chips. And I put over that some leftover turkey marzetti that I made recently in one of my videos. You'll see it if you look for it. I can't remember what day it's on, but I put that on the black bean chips, and then I put an eighth a cup of cheddar cheese over it, and I melted it, and that was that. So it was not a big dinner. It wasn't really recorder worthy, but I'm gonna eat something now because now it's 3 a.m. and I'm hungry, so this will kind of count as like dinner number 2, like tiny dinner number 2. So let me show you what I'm going to be having. All right, I got a little sidetracked. I just had multiple people come into my clinic, but they are gone now, and I'm going to try again to get something to eat because at this point it's 4:40 a.m. and now I'm starting to feel like I'm starving. So take 2, action. My options are super limited right now. I just can't find the time to make anything. So I'm gonna be having a Gatorade protein bar, 20 grams of carbs, and a whopping 330 calories. This is just my only option right now at work. And I'm also going to have with that a cup of coffee that has in it about 60 calories worth of Coffee Mate. And I did a mix. I really need caffeine kind of right now to stay awake, but I did a mix of decaf and then Taster's Choice regular calf. So that's breakfast for right now. 8 a.m. time for lunch. I guess this technically counts as my breakfast. 2 pieces of Aunt Millie's whole wheat toast, 40 calories apiece, half of a mashed avocado, 2 hard-boiled eggs over medium, I guess, at 70 calories apiece, Frank's Red Hot, and everything but the bagel seasoning. Now this is where it's at. Gonna be delicious. It is time for lunch because it's like 1 o'clock or something like that. I'm going to be having leftovers that I meal prepped. This is my chicken stir fry with pineapple, looking so good right now. You will have to watch my last video to see exactly how I made this. It's all there. But just to kind of show you, we have green beans and sesame seeds and nice sweet sauce and chicken, baby corn, all the good stuff. There's my favorite water chestnuts. So I'm going to eat the cold stuff first. And then I'm going to heat up the chicken stir fry and have that for lunch. Good evening. It is about 11:30 at night and it's just been such a long day. I had to be to work last night at 1 a.m. and I worked until about 2:15 p.m. And when I came home, like I was just so exhausted. I laid in the bed like 3:15 p.m. and I was so tired that I did not even breathe for like 1 minute before I fell asleep. Like I immediately fell asleep. I didn't get any sleep before I had to be in at work at 1 a.m. But so I didn't have any dinner. I just came home. I was asleep by like 3:15 p.m. I know all that's hard to keep track of unless you like see it on paper. I was really exhausted. So I got up just a little while ago at like 8:30 or something. No, it wasn't 8:30. It was like 9 or what the hell time ever. I don't even know. But anyway, I was kind of hungry, but there was no way I was going to make a big dinner or even pull out a big dinner. So what I ended up eating, I wasn't going to record it. I was like, you know what? Maybe I'll just take a break and cut one day out. But since I started making these videos, there's not been anything that's crossed my lips that I have not recorded. I wanted to stay true to that. Even though some of the videos are not that great, some of the days worth of eating when I'm working overtime are not high quality meals or recipes, but I am kind of documenting the meaning. So when I woke up a little while ago, I was kind of hungry, so I took a banana, slathered it in peanut butter, regular peanut butter, ate that. It was so good. I drank some water with it, and then I ate a couple handfuls of mixed nuts that had like cashews and almonds and walnuts in it. So that's what I ate. That gave me some fat and it was very satisfying. Now it is like 11:30 and I'm drinking a cup of calf coffee. just because it seems like this is really hits the spot, but I'm about to go back to bed, so I'm gonna try anyway. This is the trouble when you work a really weird shift and then don't get enough sleep. But anyway, that is what I've eaten for today. It might not be this thing I've ever shared or eaten, but that's what I ate. So, and I felt like even though watch the calories per each thing I eat, I don't really keep like a running tally. Just because this is like a lifestyle for me now, so I don't really need to watch the calories as close as I used to. I still have to be really careful to kind of know just like what things I can eat and what I can't. Anyway, that is it for me. I'm not drinking my Metamucil tonight like I normally do. There's just no reason to do that tonight. So that's it for tonight. Stay tuned for tomorrow. I don't really know what I'm going to be eating tomorrow. I have a couple things meal prepped, like options, but you can tell by looking at me, I'm still just really tired tonight. So I'm going back to bed and I'll just figure out tomorrow. All right. Good night, everybody. Please like and subscribe because that gives me motivation. I've made a big commitment here to log the things that I'm eating and show you kind of what lifestyle I did now that I have lost a ton of weight. In order to stay motivated, because you got to set up cameras sometimes and lighting and not always care, but and subscribing or even commenting and let me know that you're watching is pretty motivating. So please like and subscribe if you have watched any of my videos or if you think you're going to continue to watch and help give me some motivation to keep going. So and good night, everybody. Sweet dreams.
Not your baby girl. I'm